making a new video, logging in. This is Keishla, well known as Princess of Laughter. I'm hot. There's no dang air conditioning in here. There's only fans. I don't like this place. I don't like this place. All we have is fans. You think I like it when we have fans? No, I don't like it. Can you stop? Can you stop? You're always doing something. Can you stop?
This was Pacey Girl and Tantrum on Dogs. Beep, beep. Technical difficulties. And we're back on. Whoop. There we go.
Oh snap! Oh really? She's biting me! She's biting me! Oh God! Wait! No! Lord! Lord Jesus! Help me! Help me, Lord!
She brought diesel into this.
You can be conquered! Put it back, put it back.
Oh wait, what?
Put it back. Put it back. Any whore. As I was saying, can you stop biting me? Can you stop it? I was trying to be controllable, and you just keep biting me. Come on. Can you stop? Can you stop for 1 minute? Stuff this in your darn mouth. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. I said stop. Stop the stuff in your mouth. Any whore. As I was saying, can you stop? You're biting my finger! No! I'm not gonna let you control me anymore! Just because you're smaller than me! Just because you're smaller than me! No! 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 I'm trying to make a YouTube video! You keep getting in my way! No! Can you stop? I like